Hey, what's up guys, I'm Jay, we're back with another video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? What's up? Today is Friday, March 10th, 2023. Hey, I'm gonna make a vlog for you guys. I've been trying to make vlogs like daily-ish. I'm just trying for you guys, you know, because I do love making videos, and it does make me happier, you know, and seeing your guys' comments, having my phone actually blow up, and it doesn't look like I have no friends, you know, so I do like when you guys comment, because then, like, my phone blows up, and it's like, oh my god, it looks like I have friends, but, yeah, okay, cool. Today's Friday, so I work at my main job. I'm literally working right now, like, I just got to work. It's 9 o'clock, just got to work. I work till 6 tonight, and then I go back home, eat, shower, and then I go to the bar to work at Big Wigs, and I work at Big Wigs till 2 a.m. in the morning, but that's when they close. I still got to do cleanup work, which I'm not out of there till 2:30, 3 a.m. in the morning. So Fridays always suck. Like, I love having a busy schedule. I actually did this on purpose, but like, I like working there. It's just, it's a very exhausting day, because I get off work at 6, I go in around like 8. I go in at 8 to 2 a.m., but I'm usually there till 2:30, 3 a.m. in the morning. It's a long-ass day, and it's my Friday. But we'll just see what happens. I do enjoy working. Like, I get exhausted right now just thinking about it, but after I get there, I'm like, okay, because, like, most of the time I'm the front desk guy, so all I do is scan IDs, and then I'm on my phone on TikTok, you know. I'm not supposed to, so hopefully the boss is not watching my videos. All right, I am on my lunch break. We're at Fuji for the second time in a row. So yeah.
Oh God! That one's scary.
All right, our food has came.
Yeah, you're hooked up.
There it is. All right, guys, I am at Big Wigs now, working. Here's me working. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, Sissy's right there.
What up?
Sissy's gonna teach me how to dance someday.
A slay.
And she just subscribed, so now she's a part of the fan base.
There we go. What is the fan base? What's it called?
I don't know. I haven't figured out what the name
Oh my God, you
is.
gotta figure it out.
I know. I gotta figure out a name.
That's your goal for tonight. Figure it out.
Okay, everyone gotta comment down below what the name for the fan base should be. But yeah, I'm just chilling. Right now, like, I just kind of got here, so nothing's really happened. The show starts at 10 o'clock. It's open stage, so, like, people just gotta sign up and do their thing, you feel me? And I just sit here and hang out. So, hey, all right, catch you guys later. Alright, we're just hanging out. Everyone's at the bar hanging out. We're just chilling. Raul was supposed to film some of the drag show, but he didn't. They might go again. Like, it's supposed to just be a break. They're supposed to keep performing, but I don't know if they're gonna perform again.
Stop recording so we can set my video.
Oh, you actually did record?
I told you I did record.
Okay, well, he did record.
Stop it.
Why? Just keep dancing.
Enough.
Hey, you're getting lit. Hey. Keep going. Come on, dance. Give him a show. Ooh. Oh, are you good? You're getting yelled at by Coco. Coco's yelling at you. He drunk and he works tomorrow.